say rap na course on video na course no and sem ni bi won me soso dodo and sem bi wa bia kan yese e was nke de pip so na de aya no e pesa oti no word by word said by enkomo na ye di no obeti ase enu ntimi mu akwa basrenko United Showbiz anyu mafia ye de na ne asemo a ye pese ye kan wansem anwumrei no and say ejuma bia ntawa kakra ewom ejuma bia but then entertainment mu no na ye hwe entertainment so ntawa kakra de ewom ye hwe beefing in the entertainment business a business we entertaining you but yes or no it's sika didi I mean your table tena so didi no enu ntimi ma kwa basrengo as usual I have my two gentlemen in the house. And then you may Arnold as someone Bedu Ewofia. Annie.
Yes, madam. I be a demand wa hanu mi ankasa mo so.
You may patopi me percent yes ye eye adwuma ofia. No kure eye adwuma ofia. Na fe odo in the end na dey nkabo bi atwaso.
I me say the bia no ye argument we are yesre ansa na efi.
Na say senator chema kura wori.
Sapepe.
Omu ka omu. Na ntesi oso afanta chema so. Na ese ni nyina aye adwuma pepe. Enti na nyume ye bedi nkomo ankasa. Aha. And as usual we hide sena bra esiama so wa ha.
Eno
Mr. Siama is in the house, aka Bulldog. Woo 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 woo. Woo akwaba.
Thank you.
Hey, no, nanu mi hu papa video, shatter video. And then you may asem aye bekan about beefing. Me copy a video social media shatter say as a wo pese wo manage your baby into wo kekanura ntokwa bi mu say. Or say ma be argument be beefing because and odomu nyina but nkomu njama mema no.
I think it's true. I mean, say on say ono the oil pounding of beef. And the only advice to the girls who say, oh, I mean, they should slow it down. You know, now I'm gonna share the positive side of you know. So we're just having fun on near a video, and we went live. Now he wanted a breather sort of into your call live now. You know, so it was like an advice to the young sisters. So basically that's what it was. Yeah.
Wow. And then run a bit. Now you be straight to a somewhere. You share the benefit of a juma ye numukasa ye ne bebre dear there are two also bet me capitalize I make I mean you know income and I'm fame and no and ne I'm so happy say menya me nuamon ketwa mienu e wo fie ha anwume wo mbebo amenkoma ayebedie aye de ne ate ase ye esan say wo hwe de ekoso social media and na say de ekoso entertainment business ni mu sese a omu ji aboso akoye twema mentwe baabi yenim omu wa ha pese ne omu di nkomo what you say I no ntino medical akopanyini so panyini de panyini me maame ano na fia oba pa na ho to say sister fia mama me fans mo oh if you am very hard you mama me fans
sister
me ma fans me ma fans sister fia if you are
me die say
wow and then you answer say wo relationship with medical anything
me pacho ye minia
okay
minia precope one na me start me ba industry ni mo first no na oni kede and antipa and kede was the one no the me ba industry ni mo enti me ba any de no one now for nkofo ho no one nanti and I mean and medical was one of those people so I've known medical since 2014 enti enye nne na like I think for James as a mini very very close into surprising for bebre. Wow,
sister Fia. I was say sister Fia had ya. And na me aminu aketo aso wa ha. Freda ba for we. Mechanical. Freda right. Yeah. Hey, corona ya ho ya ho ya sanitize ya. Ai. Freda, mi shaoda. Wow. Oh, okay. Your pictures on go on fair.
That's it.
Wow. Freda, you may your be beefing. ye be bank omo bebre so na ye di entertainment beefing entertainment business mummy no be jatum say this week dear ma bibia boss ye kra ye hu yen munyi ntum wo be jatum e den na ekoso
oh I go. I mean, entertainment, and you know, Corona lockdown, near my encoso, what I say. So I just felt like, I should just do something on a beat to entertain my fans, and at the same time, talk to certain people in the industry. So I don't know encoso.
Nasa una wo that na Corona man ka won talk to yen.
Oh, before Corona, so minimum kasaba. I say no, I am one student. Yeah, but then Corona, buy and lockdown, and a channel now me defy and so ama to say me pa
channel bay
beef no
beef no me the one what can beef there me put to the straight question to you see I say so see beef no there and na ka ye hwe nwom a start here Afia ball WMT and ye hu say ke no Queen mother ye nyina ye sister enim no say what rap business no ache ebe kan bibi na wo de eba an say na ba mu
me kra me kasa and I think so kasa
oh me pa cho pe odi kem ti ba mu kan wan sam
Oh yeah, we spoke about it, but it was not as huge as
Boo,
the point of
odi kem ti ba mu kan wan sam
It wasn't that big to say an old cano.
Okay.
Until a by say ni a rap queen which I say penny for fear more. That's when the whole thing escalated. But she responded to Sister Afia. When Sister Afia dropped WMT, she straight away came in with KMT, and threw shots back at
Sister Afia. Miss Rao. And Kawana come here. Send your weather na yellow. Send your number one your fate. Nakaya singing. Na fair ban sena. Media manager let me know what chaba what then
well no can say not corona no buy no like a juma nyoma bebre echo off ne sanyoma no so now I found myself in the studio at that time and see not beats no ho and then I made like I was just playing around with the beats and a rap song yami enti ho na me pese me release me hwe enti ho na me team no for I say if you anyu dey do release it because corona ba enti no hwe nko enti wo dey release it and man dream was say be kesi and I say be huge things ama other artists for so I reply to the me no me na me pese me here for versatility sake obi abehu say sister Afia betimi arape sister Afia betimi aye nyoma bebre so na enye bibia say na wo mitrim say bia me ye amankofo akasa what I say na just normal
o say corona buy no na say why board na bibia yedinya na yenim senka otonyom okay o be rapid ya you nema bebre obetimi arape aba but say one numu sembi was like I want to wake up something
yeah and that was the motive. I wanted to wake up like myself, like I want people to understand say I mean any just a normal singer, I can do a lot of things. And so basically that was it. And yeah, I dream Bonnie Binam the
but said WMT whole day bab want to him say shades kakrabi or lyrics anymore. It will spark something.
Yeah, but man Bobby I didn't mention nobody's name.
Okay. Boo. Beefing in the industry. Also I'm more bearded, so what is beefing?
Okay, so there are two types. One obebo obiding and one wumbo niding but on one like insinuations on one him say asema waka ide ode or no. Usually it depends on who's putting stuff together. Obetumi start say okay mebo ebia sister Afia bebo Freda Rhymz thing to start with. And now say opa onboni do beka bibi on him say no then or the nihuba like or respond there na Afia or the awon. So it really depends on who's putting the lyrics together or arranging a song or doing what at what particular time, because obi betu me plan beef e be a series of it. They will throw a corn expecting a fowl to come and pick it up. Into be far na on obi so obi drop it once or drop it on Kasabian because or the bibia ashim. So I think say sister Afia dey no otroyen sir. I mean, and then I'm in a Freda or another channel so, and I'll say I mean Kutuya Nira. So I think she heard some stuff from Sister Afia lines who said no. Semina Odi Casa de Gina Yemi so meba and also they need a buy. So basically it depends on who's writing at what particular time and what they feel. So we're true.
If you are not to see our dear Kosi, Sister Afia also a tron in Diagro. Why do you think that they are PJI beef?
Just to add to what Boo said, no. Beef, no, you're more short, if that's how it is said. Yeah. Different types. So you're back one, like he just mentioned, you're back one, your friend is subliminals. I don't know. Okay, straightforward. You will only leave clues just to indicate, say, we now don't know. Into we share, and you more 3 in your release enough. Example, Sister Afia Day. One share down Bobby. However, only give clues as to who she was talking to, and as who she's referring to. Tell about a band sana target, no, ebihu, and a fans no so of the target, and so very much aware. It's only really is leaning on one Bobby to be fair, but then if far Freda Rhymz there now, there's another beef. I know. Go straight to the person. One person believe with the friends and that was will be 18. So you go straight ahead and mention the person's name. Into big points of correction now, and I mean big ups to her. She took the other side of the beef. I don't know Bobby Dean and you share about Freda Rhymz Dean, about Sister Afia Dean, about Baron Dean. So these are different types of beef. They only leave, and about connect the other Bobby. So they all, I think, they understand and as someone what beef entails. One would want to go for subliminals, and then the other one too would want to go for straight or no.
Yeah, no doubt. And to me, person be Freda. Afia can also diagram one more beardy or tonium. I said, I don't answer Ujema.
Manja, mammy home.
Okay.
Me feel say me entertainer. So me TV or industry ni man so be I and I then so I want to say something about it. I believe that I have every right. Everybody is entitled to their opinion, what I say. And then also, I just needed to entertain my fans. So what I say, ain't you know whether obo me or not. No, me, I was doing my work as an entertainer.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I want to say, Freda, what dear no dear? Upeja no ba when you na ne din komo. And now we invite Sister Afia to buy. And our church will move him. That way. We know me are fine. I don't know try hands Anna. Why explaining watch home?
Send me no obi fine, me no obi
No. I said no Canada. Sorry to say, but it's not right. At the end of the day, me and Freda, we are friends, we're cool, right? And to be better to entertain the fans now. At least it will be fine if you call me. Do you understand? Fine, Keke. Say, give me Afia, I go throw shots at you. It's like we've had drinks, we've sat down with everything. Because the thing, you had nothing involved in it. Mambo, the channel was not coming to you. But say me no, your sisters, no, I respect say, Obefre, I can say yo, Charlie. Let me tell you something.
Oh, drop it.
Mama Bonnie, there was nothing.
You don't have to mention my name.
Her.
I mean, I'm an entertainer, so if I want to also do something and throw shots at you, I can. Meet me. So what I say. And the reason why I cried my mono was the fact that also over rapping, or you want people to see so you are versatile. Rappers, all rapping we are. We don't go on live to go and cry. Why dropping this song? The next day we go online to go and explain why you said this, and people were saying giving different meanings to your title, and you were also giving different meanings to your title. I said, Mimi who's and if you say no, what about rap? Okay, that's good, but on call IG live and come. And then I make us when that is IG life no. When I felt like IG life no. When IG life no. Oh, I watched it myself. IG life no, you didn't watch it because after
if you listen to it, if you listen to the rap, no, if you listen to it, you would know why I was emotional. You can't come and sit here with no facts. What you say? You think I will? You think I will do a FaceTime and as I'll do a live and just cry and just try and be like, oh, the victim all of a sudden? No.
Okay, we all know the meaning of WMT.
If you watch the video, you wouldn't be saying what you're saying right now, because I was emotional because I was talking about myself. I was talking about how hard it is for me as a single investor, a single artist, to keep doing things. I mean, continuously for myself. Nobody is helping me, nothing. That got me emotional. And even me talking about it right now, no, it made me emotional. Because it's easy to say, Oba industry with no record label, no nothing. No quiet any BB. And for me to do all these things and not many hits kakara woma. Only say easy another day. So that's why I'm saying, say one share life, no call share life na kasasa no conquer. Wow.
Nutuna ka emotional singer, rappers, well.
Yes.
I just want to address something here, and sister, if you can about the fact that, like I said, Freda Rhymz friend or something. Usually, you know, beef be what artists, you know, it's not say to planet, and they been so why and planet. So what I want to know is say, or no drop it.
WMT.
You got nerves, one friend.
No, that was after WMT.
After Orilizi came to
you're jumping the gun.
Okay.
So stick to the WMT.
Okay, WMT. Orilizi WMT.
Yes.
Orilizi, you got nerves, one friend, Freda Rhymz. This one's not releasing one phobia, as far as I know. Oh, boo, relax. You know, call anybody.
No, I'm saying
she's good. You're wrong.
Good. So she's saying, say, maybe she's saying, say, between the three, beef, you know, only we are close. Maybe so I'll drop it first song. Yeah, I'll drop it first song. No, she didn't expect say a Freda be respond. Or say no respond cool because no they're cool. Now Freda responded and that's when she went on to. So you are saying say when Freda responded she should have called.
No.
Is that what you're saying?
Freda,
I not be straight. You don't put questions across.
No, I'm not pushing questions across. Issue they say be ye engineer. As in the two artists will come together and plan it. You won't be there. I remember seeing in 2011, Kanye West and 50 Cent. They did the same. They actually planned it. And no, they will actually sit and say, listen, because beef, no, general public need pay beef, media need pay beef, we can actually sit and plan. But Sabakwa and Freda, I do not see how the other party would expect the other party to call.
Exactly.
I baffle make a crack. Because before I'm starting, it's well planned. But you do not expect midstream, no, one person should call. We told you say that I want friend. No, I do.
But me pacho, Afia said WMT. One boy
No, but I see.
Till
no.
One boy it was open rap.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also a DJ.
But I see.
Now Freda came into KMT. Freda, could you have the woman who said you needed to respond because KMT you mentioned names.
Yeah,
exactly.
KMT
one more.
I didn't mention it. It was just the action now.
Exactly.
And I make
So it's a response.
Of course, you see,
yeah,
rap no territorial, and so because no person is showing a skill in rap, female rappers need to have to prove a point.
Prove a point for what? This is a musician. This is a singer.
No.
Why would you?
Are you saying that if
understand the culture?
No. Are you saying that if Freda does a song? And she didn't rap, and she just sang the song. Yeah,
I would come and be.
That's up to you. That's up to you.
Oh no,
seriously,
no, that's up to you. That's up. Okay, why do you think NO2 came in? Why do you think NO2 came in?
No, you see, NO took
because I also didn't mention NO2.
Exactly.
Yeah, NO there she took an advantage of the
it's
situation.
Not about advantage.
Maybe,
it's about the
and I don't know if you guys are you very close with NO? No, right?
We are cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
Are you between NO and Sister Afia? They're cool.
I mean, we're colleagues, but then I wouldn't say friends, but we are cool. Say share.
No, between you and Sister Afia, coolness, no. Wouldn't know percentage.
Okay, I'll say mini Sister Afia.
Exactly. So that was her point. Say, oh, my two shots, and now my casa. Oh, Bibiania. Oh, Charlie, the thing you talk, me I won't respond to. So if I won't respond, this be how I will do. No, I'm coming. This are friends. Okay, so we've done a lot of beefs, yeah, and we meant it to poke people. We didn't expect so omube fraying, and I get where Arnold is coming from. But when all parties say, oh, we are madam for, oh, ebi ami can be more a tree wanka. Oh, but you have a right to call Mr. Charlie. That's it. No, I'm saying.
Sister Afia can asem. What kind of what bobo small equity we bobo biadi. And then Freda comes in
as an entertainer to entertain fans.
And also a bem. Yensha debi wa say. Beef no ekoso sesia. Obi eteki advantage.
Yeah.
Am I? And is it good right now for the industry?
It is. I mean, there's no two ways about advantages of beef, because some kind of cry. I mean, I know Afia had appreciable, popularity, but then beef, I'm mobile as a cost. No two ways about it. And within the last 2 weeks, when I released this song, so you can check the numbers. The numbers are high. Within the last 2 weeks and so like I'm not sure they can even count the number of interviews or Omako, the number of calls some may receive it, the number of mentions and critical mentions
or client crap
or social media. You understand? So naturally, as part of the industry where you actually have like normal human beings are they are also human beings, they are artists. Grievances, they will step on each other's toes and stuff like that. All they do is put it in songs. You understand? And again, as general public, we love it. We have some media, so we're always flipping over beefs and stuff like that. So for me, I think so once it stays on wax, once a lyric and not there, it's good for the industry.
Okay. Manager. Okay, in situations like this, what role does managers play? Cecilia, a same way, Freda Crown story, Fear Crown story. Role Ben as a manager.
Okay, so usually in my experience, I'll say, let me give you an example. And the biggest beef that will ever surface in Ghana is Samini and Shatawale.
Fact.
Yeah, none will come again like that. Now, at the time, me Tony, fine pa, kasa wichi, but Samini ni Shatta, omu differences. So when they were throwing shots at each other with wax, me share Tonya, kasa, we don't have a problem. What you say now? We will not, because they are in a drive. We will not go and say, Charlie, because many Tony fine slow down. Tony's one country Samini say because many bulldog fine. My catcher is on my shot and slow down. No, we allow it to take its natural course.
And business wise,
then we're capitalizing on it because we had numbers and we had other
high grade no get numbers.
Oh no, can't some numbers. Hey, we were starting another beef.
No, but
we had other ways of making sure say we capitalize on the beef. What you say? So me can. It was a trade secret. Me catch. So all I'm trying to say is that the managers of these two artists, they should find ways. Unfortunately, the corona times are because all these things happening, if it had ended up in a show, an event, imagine the numbers. So we knew where we were taking it. Say, okay, say, Abia, UTV never big show be in 3 months. We're making sure that that's the target. Until Musa, then nobody will be headlining that show. So you need to guide it and make sure, say, eventually, be profitable. You need to make sure, say, it will not go out of hand. Sometimes fans, so to me, it's a besenyoma. If you are not careful now, you have occult fan base. They are too much into the brand. So one manages a hot front na akwako senyoma. So I think the managers behind these two talents should be pulling strings. My name so omo kasa de, my name so omo Adam before. But if they are watching me, they should try and find a way to make this profitable and not degenerate into something. And we don't want to lose either of them. What I say, we want it to end positively. As we speak today, Samini a Shatta. They are pals.
Because beef no way natural.
If move a platform, let's say rap, a platform to say whatever is on your chest.
Yeah.
To say, and to beef no course now. We are expecting you to go to the studio and drop something. Freda, go to the studio and drop something, and it looks like it's going overboard to physical.
Yeah.
And what triggered that?
She started it. She triggered that.
Who triggered what?
She.
It was getting physical. Why should it get physical?
Okay, let's go back. So, she did the KMT. I didn't say anything because I thought, oh yeah, she's coming in and stuff like that. I wasn't not mean you're mad, cry that side no, but me getting mad with the last one no yeah.
Okay, what I don't know.
Because fine, getting mad because see Anana, say what to her. na obi bolding eka se woni way air down nipa kwana bolding o say ya agro crampona ka I would appreciate it say ka wo ye ni indirectly crampona but we no obo me din ewo enti na make say ne call me now for fan wo industry ni mo no because see I make sure tutu medwen say say na wo dwen fam because even the WMT Uganda na me here no man bolding wo
Uganda nerves by answer na me point of correction.
And
I heard my name in it.
Where is your name?
Why not this our chicken or Ghana?
Oh, no, sa chicken.
Oh,
yeah, for was our chicken.
I know.
Well,
I'm a rapper. And you know, if somebody is throwing shots at me, I mean, I know. At the time, it's now will be because say sa chicken na ono the one I say.
Maybe Freda Rhymz.
You don't have to say Freda Rhymz. You even said Ufria dear.
Are you Ufria dear?
Oh, rapping in me.
Ufria dear.
So what say? Ebi I what say? Mister so they make kind of me so much say and me so me.
Me bo Freda Ufria dear.
Oh, I mean, you were rhyming with it. Ebi I now wouldn't say you were rhyming with it, but me as a rapper, I know what.
Well, let me tell you my problem with you. My problem with you is you keep messing with my brand. Don't mess with my brand ever again.
I'm not trying to mess. Like, how am I messing with your brand?
I'm trying to be very calm because.
But you also
saying right in front of
you also said I'm free there.
I never said free. Make boss say Freda Rhymz.
I mean it's rap. That is why I'm saying you don't understand rap.
What do you mean I don't understand?
But if you really understand rap and you said something to me,
I'm not a rapper, so I don't need to understand it.
Oh,
I'm an emotional singer. I'll take that.
Well, I don't intend to tarnish your brand.
You just did.
But then no, because
you have done it.
Also Bomidi.
Mambo.
Also come on. Why did they start checking on?
If you're okay, Obibeka say, unyum shots bebre. Like I not said, yanemo na yo, yanim chiroba yanim tie.
Exactly.
Unyum no bi who say, who throw shots at Afia, eno. Directly eno. Inti at there na wo dear. Will be bawon chair.
Obom, and yes, like you can say anything, oh, just you can indirectly do it. But the obo sister Afia no womna. Then that's where we have a problem.
So what's that chicken, no woman? That's where we have a problem.
My name is for that chicken.
Oh really?
Afia, waka. Afia, what dear no? What bo? But kutia bebre said the can say anything. What bo dia? What bo? What can sembia? Ye tie no. Ye nim nipa bia wo throw shot at. Inti no. So be throw shot at you Adena.
That shot is not something I would do to a fellow woman. That shot I will never do that. Yeah, but beef, you've gone too far. And I'm saying I don't have to understand. Me formula
and then you shouldn't have
I didn't also call up Mobia and they also use
I'm just showcasing my talent.
Showcasing what into that I don't need to what talent.
Well, I saw it as an opportunity.
What opportunity? So why are you riding? Next time you pay for the trend.
Oh wow.
Let me tell you that.
Yeah, it's a so you're a rapper.
No.
You're quite saying.
Me emotional singer.
Don't let me be emotional host, please. Emotional singer. So, if you're no, let's get serious here. Yeah. In the end, we look at young Yamasa Mobako.
Yeah.
Your bar say, you have a Timos. A Jumana yin and you have a Timos. It is a say, you know, Freda, what? Obi o yencha another response beef no ebe and the answer it was so
if na is slow bisa es obi drop it back you see my I have mad respect for Sister Afia. I mean I followed her since on back into the scene. I mean the first publication graphic show is now show cleavage kakaro since that time and I'm following. So seriously now let's be frank. I think say or lack understanding of what the rap business is all about.
Don't need to understand because I'm not a rapper.
Yeah, but you waited.
I don't want to understand. I just did my thing. No. I just did my thing in a playful way, and now these people are taking the personal.
And if you go personal with my name,
I'm going to come for you. I don't care.
But until you got nerves came, now me tell you, I check, and a few things towards me. That's why I mentioned names.
I think Sister Afia, and honestly, not to hold brief for anybody. Sister Afia can't. Any problem? The problem is not for ni Freda.
No. We are friends. But let me make one thing clear. Pacho, let me make one thing clear.
Let the lady know say understanding no day.
She said it. She said she doesn't understand.
Why you don't understand? Then why
you don't understand?
I was doing my own thing.
If you don't understand,
you don't understand management.
No, you don't understand.
Then why for enter in the first place?
What you talk about? What you talk about? No, what you talk about? If you don't understand to enter, it's a free enter.
Massa.
Yeah, you got
that's why she lose confused.
No.
That's why she's confused.
No, the confusion be say if Paddy be
forget Paddy like
forget Paddy say. What you talk about? Forget Paddy say.
Let me ask this. In this business, you were your Paddy, you were your sister. When it comes to rap business and you are throwing shots.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Also, my example be about 50 cents. Any Kanye West. Even that beef from Ukrainian, it killed 50 cents career. I mean, what?
It did.
50 cents career. I mean, what?
It didn't.
It didn't. Where's 50 Cent today? That was because they argued about album. Almost somebody released the album the same day. You better the better album, and people went in for Kanye. Do you know why? Because 50 had ruled for a long time. Now Kanye or your underdog. Now Oba, and you see, Mami Cho, your Obia was so, and it's worldwide. Obia was so, Obia person she from into the Oba Obia be Rutamano, and that up until today. And this, you know they don't even actually speak now. 50 Cent and
example.
So what are you saying?
At the end,
what's your on tears here?
So and
I say by force on tears.
If you call it by force,
why?
You don't know
what you talk about.
Oh, what you talk about?
It looks like this man is really with this girl's team or something.
No.
He's not being fair.
He's not being fair.
He's not being fair. You are not being fair. And I know go back.
Good.
I will take it personal because you are someone who's close to me, and for you to say those words with my name. No, I could have said the same thing about you. No, I could have said the same thing about you. I could have said the same thing about you. I could have said because it's
lyrical beef.
How can I tarnish your image in the next that I'm smiling with you?
Oh, come on. It's lyrical. It's lyrical beef. What problem? Yana say what for any personal? But me from KMT to point of correction.
And what's the lie? I am personal. I'm taking it personal and I'm emotional. What's the lie?
That is why you're having an issue.
They put the emotions in another song. It's as simple as that.
This
song
Afia, let's not be emotional right now. Let's do business right now. Now, say how the response will be.
She won't respond.
She
won't respond.
So are you saying it's Afia anti-business now?
Tell me. Patch me back. She has a right not to understand. Don't say what you're saying. You listen. We use words, yeah, kasa, kabrofo, and yet words in any here. You see, yet now you're con, and you be and say
this is business.
What are you talking about?
Business.
Listen, even in business, please. Oh, no, you are lying. Not me, Pacho.
Then you cash.
Oh, Pacho, your father, your big boss, Father Dixon, yeah. He faces challenges every time. He's been doing this job for a very long time. There be challenges, but Mami Cho challenge me about SCCR. He baby always see our share and so. He is not anticipating say gidi beba. Good. So gidi ba is another challenge. So in case so be TBS.
Okay, so
what the hell do you mean by that? What the hell do you mean by that? That she should understand something.
Okay, so
she doesn't have to understand. You should get that.
So now she's face challenges.
That's what she's facing. About challenges your bad, sir. She's telling you her truth.
And I know me do dimbe bonyo no makase we do. You know
see
how it feels.
And if you haven't done it, I say
no. Do you know what? Also only nanti before. Almost like they're cool. So say we can assembia or really say in Kwafobejia Eddie say if these two are friends. Until we call on what to say we are. It means what she's saying is the truth. And so now they took it personal.
So Freda and Afia unim no onimo doesn't mean that personally rap there say obi to me come be are you making us believe say someone more kind no cry no be aka che no
me dey na here say me nim baby hotel ne dey no me dey na me so mate e bia ono so hotel me say yes Freda yes me so
this girl she don't understand.
No
you don't mention name in there. You don't mention name in there.
Be the subliminal shot.
Subliminal shot. I mean, you know, No. You are pissing me off right now.
No, you see, she's taking the whole
I'm
thing
respecting
personal.
myself. I'm really respecting myself. And I'm sitting here giving you this whole vibe because I would never sit with you and do this one-to-one with you.
Afia, now let's do it this way. Say you know, that is a more jai lyrical shot, no, and I can wear a physical shot. What happened to that one? Who started what in that physical?
She started this.
She attacked me.
I attacked you. Adam told
one.
Did I come in? So I was entering TV3 that same premise. I mean at that same time. And when I was entering, I told my manager I need to speak to Freda as the friend that she used to be with me. So I just needed to speak to her. And then my manager was like, "No, we are late. Let's go inside right now." So then I was like, she was just like few meters away from me. She was not that far. So anything that she said, I could hear. So she was like, to me, I had to say, "Mama, I'll be running Rhymz first." And it triggered me. I was like, "Oh, really? Me now, I've calmed down to come and have a conversation with you." No, I said, "Wouldn't you say me boy food that?" And then you said that we have a problem. But so I wanted her to say that thing in my face, like look me in the eye as a girl that she is, and say, "Mama, I'll be running Rhymz." That was it.
First of all, Pacho Oya Brewa. Intade na ojema.
And
I mess so
why are they telling by now?
Before send me call inside I me interview no. Me management na ne am near year 3. Enti ba ko inside so ko bisa producer and say if it's time for me to go on na. Enti no okọ inside no ba enti na me need DJ Shiwawa age na outside and me try pictures. Enti me try pictures new year na pictures ne enye fe. So me here inside am say oh pictures we dey ask my say abrewa.
Nice.
Into our not abrewa no jema. First of all, on abrewa. Into na odia abrewa ma ho. And you come at me telling me say it to my face.
Lies. Lies.
Who chop picture?
Lies.
And now who say who picture?
Doesn't make sense to you.
And now so what's abrewa? Into so sabrewa.
Me say picture, say particular picture na my sabrewa. Na enye me fe. Into me catch Shiwawa say picture with the one man na enye fe because my sabrewa. Eti ano ho na no ebi ono so say abrewa. And because probably in my previous rap na me ka say ono abrewa young girls they are so ono the abrewa. Ene bia ojema na ho but no credit na enyo.
Okay, but then me tin say o say mama abrewa no rem.
Baby, also sit to her, so not see about me to me, and yes, I am so me kind.
If I want to say something,
and yes, I am kind.
I'm not trying to give her anything again. I've done anything. I've done everything.
You know, for me, yeah, no matter the provocation, and me kind say, and say sister Fiabe physical, no matter the situation, because it will get into a realm, yen to me solve it. Ebi ase ono kwa ntu nsa ebi otu nsa kana say obo ohwe forma you know because sister Fia was very angry now or threaten security person and I thought it was a little bit over.
No, you didn't see watch the video again.
No,
you pushed my boobs.
Breast, okay.
You pushed my boobs. No. She put nothing for me make chase. I didn't sound quite obedient in my opinion.
It was a mistake.
Who's that?
Unconsciously.
Me say mistake na make casa.
Aha. So one I know na make say who's the video na yen hu wechi. Yen hu wenim.
Yeah.
Yen hu say or touch your breast. Aha. I think this is the video we saw. You know, so to go to that extent, you know, it's gone out of hand. And Mepa Motro say, I mean, it shouldn't go there.
Yes.
That one there, it shouldn't go there. Moya done for, you know, and you should find a way to resolve. And me say their cause so say it's our friendship. If they didn't even know each other at any point, I think this will be cool. We'll be like
in a game
you know,
of rap. It's not about throwing shot to your mother or your friend or if
no.
I'm a rap you, but your friend
won't
throw shot.
Who's a only for being a ball. And the boy is being a ball. EL money idea. I don't think say EL will wake up in the morning and throw a shot.
Okay.
Or throw a shot na Sarkodie can say short way media intimate responding. They won't do that. Now there's another team almost Sarkodie team Sarkodie to meet you almost say okay guy we accept no can mean or they kasano. So that's all I'm trying to say the fact that they are together. Arnold is my friend. What you say? So if I go elsewhere and I'm saying bad stuff about Arnold and I'm informing her, he'll be taken aback. There are two responses. Either or no so another platform so I kasa some way. And now say Ohumia if I try to approach because Charlie by you why? why you go talk this things? Where you know say why you know. Me my example. There's this gentleman in Pleasant Memory. 6 years ago, when na me wo Cantonment Police Station, I was arrested. Say me na me kuno Fennec. Now I used to argue with Fennec on radio, but before we did that, we spoke. Cause we madam for. He was managing another artist. Me managing another artist. So we wanted to create buzz. So he will come on air, say whatever he has to say. I mean, him so Obeka say Charlie tie me. Say mini radio one, or we call back to me, I text him, say Charlie me can do kwa. You know, so that's all I'm saying. Say me say sa sister Afia, as I say Freda ya madam for. Mami ma two general shots. It say ube
general shots.
Ube pot. Oh no.
Okay, so can say that means
you're not being fair.
Sister Afia nyom no. Maybe in call expect to say just a no one and respond there.
And any other rapper, not Freda. Sano no.
Freda is a rapper.
There be maybe so or say na down for no. Like you are in my corner. You get me? She understands it. Because she said no, she does. She does. You do, right?
Freda give VGM or Bema sister Fia, na sister Fia John Bema Fia.
Oh,
there be almost girls. They party together. But if we don't get the premise of this issue, because almost can't the same thing, it's just that they're saying it differently.
We are not limiting this argument to just the two.
Okay.
It's a broad argument.
Yes.
And you more be way about, no way so. Unfortunately, say in no waha. I can't say me because apart from United Showbiz, no. So bit now be can't say me and to say a couple man away job.
Yeah.
What are they? Your friend no. And no say enuanum you know oma because on person be physical na be bibia and then no so na agina say we can go to the studio and say whatever you say but why should it get physical?
It should not.
Entertainment, you know,
say we are all condemning that. I know dear it shouldn't get there.
And you see, under no circumstance should beefing say generated into physical. And that's where me di sister Fia Hon and to some extent Freda, because it should always see the omo ye no omo di nkwalasem omo che say business no omo che dan tia say and most importantly no omo guye nyina ase because over the period no am for example ehwe yen entertainers no they look at us in a certain way, and then when it comes to beef they frown on beef. Say beef, they say. They really do not understand the business side of beef. It's for them to actually make it physical.
Let me take another turn. On your kind, but even the men, there are times it goes off. Why don't we have Tupac and Biggie here today?
Oh, relax.
No, why don't we have nipa? You can't totally blame them.
You cough or what?
No, no cough.
One moment you say
no. We are saying that no. You're going to the extreme. We are saying that we are condemning the act. But who can say?
But if they say they mess up.
No. They don't disgrace us. Don't say that.
I'm saying they disgrace the
industry. They disgrace you.
Massa. I don't know where they stand.
What do they talk about? Don't say that you're being too hard on them. Only nipa.
But Budog, you said beef.
But you can't say we can't papa there for you.
Hello.
Yes.
You said beef in baby. But you can't beef in Penaya, you the national entertainment straight.
That's it. That's the limit.
Intinonka beef in sono there. Words to words.
And yes, Adebia.
No blow to
and yes, Adebia. Even the Nicki Minaj, someone
throw blows.
But did you see me throwing blows in there?
But you made it physical.
Then you like you are not watching things. You are just here saying anything to be against me. Listen, did you see me putting my hands on her? Did you see me putting my hands on her?
Send me a trim request. Did you put me on question?
So what's all man trim uncle? Just what's called me abo me na.
Me man bow.
Listen.
No.
Let me be. No, you don't. You don't like me because you are being one-sided. You've been one-sided since the whole of the TV.
But I'm just being objective. I mean, for somebody who understands the business.
Then did you see me being physical in the video then? I would never lay my hands on this girl. I would never do that. That's not who I am. I never fight. Do you understand? I'm a human being. No, me and Nipa.
We understand that.
What you say?
Yes.
You don't know. Sometimes you can't control your anger.
Fact.
We are all human beings and we are all victims of
Fact.
that. And then I'll see and I'll apologize again. I apologize if this one looks bad. I truly do, because this is not me. Me call Michiano and I say me face to face. I will never touch her. Never. Not in this world, because I'm not violent.
Good. Once there's an apology, I think so we can move on from there.
We move. Afia, yemma rap noa. Edin sembe bri aba na nyume nyina eti yan. You feel na entertainment yen to me for be emetna. We know the problem we face, and every week. So when na aba ye be kan them. We are happy say to nsa fra mu mienu mo ayeden. Moba obi metna nka mo twi asem. Ye mienu na ye wa say. Now when we look at etie mu nyom no a online to now, and some say when I was starting to maybe south etia won say o punchlines no bebre hu. Bibi to say me manager na minim ha opportunity but o person chese obi ne manager eda o person chese nke mienu obi a beef burger and on say the shot directly to me I mean Tonyom no kran minim baby e kobo nipa na ndo je na bona e be simple we know who that shot was.
Yeah, but
for.
I'm not attacking Eno, right? Because she did her own indirectly. What I say, I'm attacking her. I'm not. No. I don't want to use the word attacking. I'm angry with her because she mentioned the name. That's the only problem. I don't have a problem with her at all. I just have the problem with the sister Afia in it. That's the only problem.
So if you had said
and I don't need to.
I
will never have. We will not be sitting here, Grandpa. Do you understand?
Now so sa chick no. I don't know how can sister Afia. O ma me dey Afia.
Me cry me dey Afia.
But say one assistance first.
Baby. Me so me dey Afia.
Okay. Boo, Arnold. Beef or superku or Kobe or whatever it is. You pese a commercial break. Ye ba beef no dey see. Name on na na dey here. The benefit of the beef. Ebusafo, meaning say you don't want to get up. You don't even want me to go for a commercial break, but I have to go. Maminda Raoul's pharmacy I say, so the high lady virgin wash.